What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kid Brims, Jersey God of Westchester. Yo, I'm excited right now. I just got something in the mail. I'm hyped. This is one of my dubs I caught from sneakers. This is gonna be an unboxing. I'm not gonna really review them. I mean, I might a little bit, but it's more of an unboxing. I actually got these sneakers from a raffle. Now, when you see these sneakers, I didn't know I was gonna get them because for some reason the sneaker gods don't like me. For some reason, I don't know why, they just don't like me. But they like me enough to bless me like I sneeze with this pair right here. This was one W I got, and I caught a lot of L's in the month of February for sneakers. But this one right here, this was one W. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the sneaker and give you my thoughts and personal opinions on them. So stay tuned and keep it locked.
Yeah. We had the type of nights when morning comes too soon. And nothing was the same. Watch me going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping off high, used to sleep at your crib. Should drive out right where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long, probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink or we could burn something. Come through, come through, come through. Come through, girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So get your ass in the car, come through. Come.
Alright, YouTube, so I'm back. About to give you a review on the 8s. You just saw a clip of me unboxing them and everything. But yeah, you know, the leather's real nice on this. I like it, you know, classic 8 look to it. Got the Jordan symbol on the tongue right here in red. Pretty much all black. Midsole right here is black and gold. You know, for the OVO, that's pretty much his colors. Got it on the bottom of the shoe. Got the red Jumpman in the front on the bottom of the shoe. The straps all black pretty much. No, same thing. Then you have right here his emblem, OVO Al. The back tab of the shoe. Inside the tongue you have the welcome in gold. And then you have, again, the OVO Al inside of the shoe. You know, of course, over here, size 14. Yes, I have big ass feet. I know. Don't say nothing. I just got big ass feet. Same thing again. Turn it around. Everything. You go. It's a nice all black shoe. Now, I entered the raffle for these through the OVO website. It was an online raffle. And you know, I wanted to try. I'm surprised. Because the same day that I got told I won, I was actually trying on the Foot Locker app for the PGs, the PlayStation. And of course, I took an L, like always. Always. So as soon as I got off the app, I got a notification for my email. And I checked, and it said, congratulations. You won the raffle for the OVO 8s, the black. Because when you entered the raffle, it was either white or black. You couldn't pick both. You had to pick one. So I chose the all black because, I mean, I like the white ones. But for me, white gets dirty too quickly. So I was like, I'll go black, you know, get a 14 because the 8s, they run true to size. And the 13 does fit me because I usually wear, depending on the shoe, I wear a size either 13 to 15 pretty much. Foams, I wear a 14 or 15, mostly 15. But in like J's or anything, if they run true to size, I usually go up a size. and if they run big, then I'll wear 13. But for 8s, they run true to size for me, so I got a 14. So yeah, they hit me with the yeah, congratulations, you won the raffle for the OVOs. I was like, oh shit. Like, finally, Nike finally blessed me like I sneezed up in this bitch. Because I normally never win raffles anything. Like, at all. Like, so shit is crazy. So, finally, got these, man. These are looking real clean. I can't wait to wear these. Of course, I'm not going to wear them out now. Yeah, this weather is bugging the fuck out. Yesterday, it wanted to be 77, real nice. Everyone don't know how to act. Yesterday, and now all of a sudden today it's fucking brick and it's raining and it's windy. Like, this shit don't make no type of sense. But yeah, here are the OVO 8s, y'all. Here are the OVOs. Again, the box. I'll show you the box. Size 14 right there. OVO L right there. Alright, YouTube, that was my unboxing / review on the all black Air Jordan 8 OVOs. Man, these are pretty fire. Like I said, I'm going to wear them when it gets warmer outside and it gets drier outside. So I can't wait to rock these on feet. Kill the fit, you heard. But nah, thank y'all for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Kid Brims, Twitter, Wavy Kid Brims, Snapchat, Wavy Kid Brims. Make sure, again, subscribe to the channel. Turn the notifications on so you'll get notified when I drop a video. That's going to be it. Once again, it's your boy, Kid Brims, a.k.a. the Jersey God of Westchester. And I'ma holla at y'all later. Easy.